Okay. Yeah. It's a pretty good entry here. Uh, yeah, pretty good entry. Let's go for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Took 5 position here. I will put myself BE. Am I? Am I? So yeah, I got in at 62. 62. Let's put it like that. I'm gonna put myself 67. Let's put it at 67. Oh, hey, copy, bruh. Copy, bruh. Copy, bruh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pretty good entry. Not gonna lie. 67. Oh, what happened? I did something, bro. Damn, what I did, man. Don't see my trade anymore. Come on, bro. It's $2. Nah, yeah, $2. Come on, man. Let's go. Pretty good entry. Pretty good entry. Let's go. DXY has to drop. So I was waiting for DXY to hit the like 97.20 area. But why 20? Because you have a nice imbalance here, but price might reject the bottom here, right? So on the XY we are bearish, right? So it's like break, retest, boom, area, boom. And then I was patient and waiting for GU to make a move to give me a sign, right? So now the price has to break above here, 80-ish, 80-ish area. Will you? Will you? Will you? Nice closure in 5. Nice 3 minutes. Big candle to the upside. Let's see on the 15 there. 15 closed pretty nice also. So the idea was a break and retest on daily perspective, kind of, right? So we have a break, retest this is the area, right? The top area here. I'm aware that if price cannot hold, there's a possibility on bigger time frame to come back to this area for a better retracement, right? But kind of good, man. So I'm just gonna remove the area. Kind of good, man. Kind of good. Kind of good. Boom, boom. And then buyers show up, man. Let's go. What's happening on the EU? Let's go, my man, GJ. What happened with GJ? GJ is dying. Let's go. On smaller time frame, we have a nice breakout here. It's not very big breakout, let's say. Let's go, my man. That's a nice TP. I will put on 3 positions. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there, bro. Let's go. Put the alerts just for fun, bro. Just for fun. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. TP3. What's the price? Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, it's 42. Yeah, 42. You're almost there, bro. Come on, man. 1 pip. Also, 1 pip. Let's go, man. I'm at 1 pip from TP3. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Just push. Yep. And I will try to ride 2 positions. Dixoy kind of doing good. Bro, less than 1 pip? Come on, man. Oh no, I'm out. There we go, TP3. I will give you update about I don't want to make this recording too long. 7 minutes. Boom. That's how we do it. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Peace.